Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the essentials: subscription, resource group, and permissions. Once ready, decide image and authentication method, SSH key for Linux or password for Windows because security matters. Open the Azure Portal, go to Marketplace, and search for virtual machine. Click Create. Make initial choices: name, region, and availability options, since these affect latency and cost. Make sure to pick a VM size that matches CPU, RAM, and budget needs. Once done, move to the networking and storage steps to finish the configuration. Now you configure disks, networking, and extra features. Select OS disk type, premium SSD for performance or standard for lower cost, then add data disks if required. Next, create or pick a virtual network and subnet. Assign a public IP only when remote access is needed. Configure NSG inbound rules to open SSH, port 22, or RDP, port 3389. If you want high throughput, enable accelerated networking and add extensions such as monitoring agents. Once network and storage align with requirements, proceed to management and review your configuration carefully, confirm size and pricing, then click Create to deploy the VM. After deployment, get the public IP or private DNS and connect via SSH for Linux or RDP for Windows. Use the key or password you set earlier. Check boot diagnostics and VM status, and verify NSG and subnet rules if you cannot connect. Make sure to tag resources, enable backups or snapshots, and set auto shutdown to control costs. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't connect, first check NSG inbound rules and boot diagnostics logs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.